Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel, and today we are going to be shredding the new beast at Willingham Woods. Let's crack on. Right, so we're here at Hamilton Hill. Sammy's joined us again and we're going to test out the new bike on the jumps.
Indeed.
See how it goes. Try not to get lost this time. You ready? Ready? Very flowy. Right, so far we haven't come off. That's a bonus. How are you finding it, Sammy?
All right. Be better if there weren't as many. There's not many people here. I think when it's just you in the woods, you're a bit more confident because you haven't got people watching as much.
How are you finding the dusty conditions?
Fine.
Yeah?
Absolutely fine. Hunky-dory.
Better than where we was the other day when it was dead sandy, because you couldn't get traction, could you?
Yeah, no, I think it's just speed. To be honest with you, I think more speed, get more traction.
This flows as well, doesn't it? It's a nice flow.
Down the hill, it's 100% better. So.
Yeah, that one we've just come down, really flowy. Really enjoyed that one. But the two jumps that I used to hit on the Boss Nut, they've actually made the kickers a lot bigger, and they've put a massive double in before the first takeoff. And I don't want to do it on my new bike.
I was sort of hoping it was still
oh no, what if I come off my new bike? I don't want to scratch it.
I was sort of hoping it was still the same because I got used to it last time and I knew what I was expecting, and now they've changed it, so it's like, ugh.
Got to get used to it all again.
Yeah, man.
No, because you was doing 360s and Superman seat grabs and everything before. We didn't get it on camera, but that was happening, I'm telling you.
Yeah, definitely. Not winking at me or anything, honest.
Right, we'll go back to the top and drop in for another go. Let's crack on.
I can see you in my shadow. Go on, Gabby, you're hitting it. I'm not. Let's go. Right, don't turn. Yes. I hit it.
Good man.
And I got here. Yes.
Looks like someone's had a big off. on the massive tabletop. That's unfortunate. Hope he's okay. Right, we're going to go on the flowy trail now. The guy who's come off, I think he's broke his wrist. There's an ambulance on the way to take him away.
And
hope he's alright.
And broke his ribs by the sound of it.
And cracked his ribs maybe. I know how that feels. I did exactly the same last year. Pretty painful. Right, let's drop in, Sammy. Gutted. Not enough pressure in the back tyre.
Yeah.
And I've completely fucked my rim up.
Oh, your rim?
No! I can't believe it. Gutted.
Because you've let too much air out?
Yeah. I shrelped round a corner and hit a rock and it went donk. Flat out, Sammy, yeah? Let's go.
Nice.
Hey! Boom! Boom! Oh, that is ace. I just love the flow on that. Really enjoying that flowy section. And Sammy just hit the jump at the end and got some air. Yes. How does it feel, Sambo?
Awesome.
I wish I'd have got it on camera.
If I had to pick the wife up, I would definitely do it again.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, damn it.
Ah, so.
It's one old time, man.
So, apart from dinging the back wheel, the old Bergamont is an absolute animal. Love it. How's your trek running, dude?
Well, I think it's a lot better than I am. But it gives me the confidence to keep getting better and better, so all I can do is keep going.
That's what it's all about,
yeah,
mate.
just keep going, that's all I want to do. But definitely come back again very soon, because I need more practice on it. I just wish I lived nearby.
Yeah, it's a bit of a trek.
Well, no, it's 20 minutes, but it's not too bad. I'll spend longer.
But it is a great little facility. So well done to all the diggers and all the people who have got this up and running and got it running nice. Really nice bit of trail. Hamilton Hill, spot on. Follow it on Facebook. I think that's it from us in this one, so thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.